owayengumengameli uJacob Zuma wathi ufuna kushushiswe ngasese u-Advocate Downer kanye nentatheli ephephandaba iNews 24 uKaren Maughan ngonyaka odlule. Ebasola ngokuthi uDowner wabhujuza ulwazi lwezempilo lwakhe kuMaughan. uDowner ekuqaleni wathi ukushushisa kwakhe kuyindlela nje kaZuma yokubambezela icala lakhe isivumelwano sokuthengwa kwezikhali. uMaughan yena uthi leli cala kuhloswe ngalo ukuvala umlomo wezintatheli.
Former President Zuma is here to assert his constitutional right. And that right is simply to be found in Section 34 of our Constitution, which entitles every citizen, even former President Zuma, to bring to a court of law any dispute that can be resolved, I'm paraphrasing, by the application of law.
U-Advocate Thabani Masuku uzichaze njengamanga izinto zenhlangano Helen Suzman Foundation ezithi uZuma uzama ukubalekela ukuqala kokuqula kwecala lakhe.
What the Helen Suzman Foundation does not do is to take the entire factual matrix. They say, like Mr. Downer, take the 19 years, or the so-called 19 years of Mr. Zuma's criminal prosecution. And they say Mr. Zuma has engaged in all sorts of things to avoid his prosecution. But that's not true. Firstly, it was the NPA which stopped the prosecution, right at the beginning.
Kusenjalo okhulumela inhlangano iJacob Zuma Foundation umzwanele manje uthi baphule umthetho laba baphutshuza ulwazi lwezempilo lukaZuma ngalokho kufanele bathweswe icala.
The law is very clear on the matter. It does not even specify what is it that you should not leak out, not you should share out. It just says any information, any document, anything. So they have shared the document, they have shared information, they have shared things without the permission of the National Director of Public Protection. That is the issue here.